Welcome back, Essentials Math 3. We are getting started on page 7, 8, and 10. So let's get it. Coordinating data. I always want to encourage you to look at the work before. Take your best guess, show work, and then watch the videos to check to see if you're right. So, let's go. Lesson 2, coordinating data. Important stuff. This graph shows price versus storage space of different brands of MP3 players. Which two MP3 players have the same storage space? So if we're looking for storage space, that's storage space. So over here, we're looking for anything that lines up. Ooh, let's go. So this is going to be an eNoise, iPod and eNoise. Ha ha ha. Get it? Like iPod and enough noise. Anyway, let's go. Which has the greatest storage space? So on storage space, this is the low number, and as you go up, numbers get larger. So for storage space, the largest be Dancer. Ha! Get it? I'm sorry. Like dancing? Dancer? Okay. C. Which two MP3 players are the same price? So that means we're on price. So price goes this way. Oh, I guess I should use my other side. Boom. So price, which one has the same price? Same price? Which two players have the same price? Oh, you gotta line it up right. Boom. Dancer and Boise. Boyce. You get it? Dance and which is the cheapest? Well, if I'm looking at price, zeros here, larger numbers go there, go to the right. So the cheapest is creativity. Compare the price of eNoise, so eNoise, to the price of other players. Ooh, so compare the price. So if I'm looking at price, I'm looking at this side. So cheaper ones are that way, more expensive ones are that way. Compare the price to the price of other players. Okay, so I could say what was cheaper. I could say what was more expensive. So if those are your answers, those are good. So, okay. So, eNoise is cheaper than Dancer Boys. That's a C. But more expensive than creativity. iPod and phony. Phony. Like phone, because you listen to your music on your phone. Phony. Anyway. Alright. Cool. Alright, so I believe we have F on this one also. I'm just going to do all page 7, so you should have that between 2 slides. Compare the storage space of eNoise to the storage space of other players. Storage space. So eNoise storage space. So it looks like it ties with iPod. So eNoise and iPod have the same space but eNoise has less space than all the others. Boom. So even though it's tied with this one, for storage space, it's at the bottom of the barrel. So if I'm looking this direction, I'm looking that way. All right. Compare eNoise to Phony. Ooh. Which is a better deal in terms of storage space and price? Yeah, let's get it. So Phony is a better deal because look at that price. It's cheaper and more storage. Let's go. Another brand of MP3 player, Galactic, has the same storage space as Phony. So storage space goes this way. So from this side, it has the same storage space, but it is, oh, wait, let me get it all the way. So that's the same storage space. A little crooked, but you get what I'm saying. But it is cheaper. It is the cheapest of all the brands shown. Oh, so for prices, the one shown cheaper is closer to 0 to the right, or the larger numbers. So it has to be on this line and somewhere over here. Draw and label possible points. All right, so those are possible. Anything on that one and label, right? Draw and label, yep. Please follow directions. So this is on the same line with Phony, but it's the cheapest, and Creativity is the cheapest, so it's somewhere over there. Nice. So we have that done. All right, so tell you what, I'll leave it on this picture while I look at, discuss and write what you think. List the MP3 players in order from least expensive to most expensive. All right, so price, we're looking this way. So cheapest are over here, more expensive over here. So 0 to larger numbers. So the cheapest is Creativity, APAD, Phony, Enough, and Dance and Boise are a tie. On number 3, it says list the MP3 players in order from least to most storage. So storage is this way. The smaller numbers are at the bottom, the larger numbers are at the top. So we have a tie for cheapest with APAD and eNoise. Work our way up. We have Creativity. Remember, we're working with storage, so we're working our way up. So next is Boise, Phony, and Danza. You have listed the MP3 players in order by price and storage space. What is one observation about MP3 players that is easier to see on the coordinate plane than on your list from problems 2 and 3? So we just put them in order by price, so we know which one's the cheapest. Ooh, don't forget Galactic. Oh, I forgot that one. So G, okay, so on my price, G should be at the front. So on number 2, your list should start with G. And then on storage space, G should tie with phony. I'll show you my list in just a second. So what can you see on the plane that you can't really get from the list? That answer is going to vary. So try your best, and I'd love to see it. All right, let's go, Truman.